AI is everywhere, but most beginners give up before they even start. It's not because AI is hard.
It's because no one ever explains where to begin. Today, I'm going to show you 6 clear steps to get started with AI, even if you've never touched it before, and make sure you stay till the end, because step 6 is the one that truly decides whether you succeed or fail. So let's jump right in. Step 1. Stop fearing AI. This is the single biggest mistake beginners make. They're paralyzed by fear. Let me be clear, AI is not magic. AI is not just for genius engineers, and AI will not replace you, but someone using AI will. Your first step is actually really simple. Understand that AI is just a tool, like Google or a calculator. Once you get rid of that fear, learning becomes so much easier. You open yourself up to possibilities instead of problems.
Now for step 2, learn the absolute basics of AI. And guess what? You don't need a degree in math. You don't need to know how to code. Forget all that. Just start with the fundamental questions. What is AI? What is machine learning? What can AI actually do for us today? Focus on the concepts, not the complexity. If you can just grasp what AI is capable of, you're already ahead of 80% of other beginners. It's about the big picture, not the tiny details at this stage. This brings us to step 3, and this is where most people get stuck and ultimately fail. Use AI tools every single day. Don't just learn about AI from a distance. You have to dive in and use it. Start with simple, accessible tools. Use chatbots to help you write emails or brainstorm ideas. Play around with AI image generators to create cool pictures. Use AI-powered apps to boost your productivity. The more you use these tools, the faster your brain adapts and starts to think in new ways. AI is a skill you learn by doing, not by just watching videos like this one, so get your hands dirty. Alright, moving on to step 4, apply AI to your own life. This is where the magic really happens. You need to connect AI with your real-world problems and goals. Ask yourself some simple questions. How can AI help me do my job better or faster? Can AI save me time on my daily chores and errands?
Could AI even help me find new ways to earn money online?
When AI starts solving a real problem for you, that's when the learning becomes permanent.
This is the moment you transition from being a curious beginner to a confident user. You see its value firsthand.
Next up, step 5, ignore the noise. The world of AI is incredibly fast-paced. Trends change daily. There are new tools, new hype, and new waves of panic every single week. Beginners often fail because they try to chase every shiny new object. They jump from one tool to the next without ever mastering anything. My advice? Pick one direction and stick with it. Whether your goal is learning a new skill, boosting your productivity, or automating tasks, focus on that one area. Master the basics first. Ignore the constant noise and hype. Depth will always beat speed in the long run. And finally, we've arrived at step 6, the most important step of all, consistency over confidence. You do not need to feel confident to start learning AI. What you need is consistency. Spending just 10 minutes with AI every day is infinitely better than cramming for 3 hours once a week. Think about it, every single expert you see online today started out as a confused, overwhelmed beginner. The only difference between them and the people who quit is that they didn't stop. They showed up day after day, even when they didn't feel like it. That's the real secret. So there you have it, 6 simple steps to get started on your AI journey. It's not about being a genius. It's about being persistent. If you want more content that explains AI simply, clearly, and honestly, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.